ever since I can remember, I've been popping my collar, popping my collar, popping my collar. Ever since I can remember.
What's up, guys? This is Random Guy 814 here. Ahead of time, sorry about the shitty camera quality right now. I'm in my car. I'm unable to take my phone case off, and I have to go into work in a couple of minutes to finish the day out. One thing that I do know is that we are going to have some fun tonight. I have another video coming up on my secondary YouTube channel for gaming. Most people are going to be very pleased and happy to see that one, that I actually finally have a working computer that's able to game. And first promised game that I showed you in the first place that was coming out is, that's all the hints I will give you. So let's get started, and I will see you after work. What is up, guys? I'm back again, and I'm just now walking out of work. And, well, some good news here. My buddy, he just got his motherboard back. Well, bad news for me because, my other channel is about to take a nice break here a bit, I think. And knowing him, he's going to want to try his new motherboard out. But, we shall see what happens here. Hopefully I have another night to screw with his computer. That way I can get a legit video on there. And if not, hopefully he actually allows me to go in and screw with this computer more. That way I have a channel that I can keep doing daily videos on, if not a couple videos a day or something weekly or something. That way I can keep track of everybody that goes on there and actually enjoys my videos and all that stuff. I'm planning on making daily videos from now on this channel until I can get that channel up, and then I'll switch throughout the channels bi-weekly from there. And yeah, that's how this is gonna go anyways. I don't expect this channel to get as big as the next one, but only God knows at this point. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take off to his place. I will catch you fucks there. Alrighty, so I'm at my buddy Ford's house here, and he just got his new motherboard, and so let the reveal begin. Alrighty, so with that motherboard that we have here, we are actually going to take it and put it back into its case here, and hopefully Godzilla comes alive. And you can check his channel out. I'll put this in the description. I also have a channel. I think I put the link in the description last time I put a video out, but did I? Do you remember that I just vehicle, or not vehicle description? That's I'm too much into modding.
I don't know. I'll set up. I'll fucking look.
Right. All right. Yeah, I think I put a description in for my other channel, but it's there. There should be a new video coming out tonight as well for that. Pending if I can actually get this done quickly and in a timely manner here. With that being said, we're going to head to my house real quick. I'm going to get that done, and while we're there, I'll be recording at the same time. So, enjoy that. Alrighty, so we're just coming back from the vape store, and we are now currently en route back with the goods to actually make his computer run finally. I did not get to record tonight. Hopefully I will. It just depends on if we get this thing to work. Now, the ass part about that this is, I'm gonna have to go to his house from now on in order to do some of my gaming shit. So, as long as you're cool with that. Right on. So yeah, that's the plan for now. We're just gonna shoot for going to his house until I can actually get a fucking hard drive to save my life with here. After that, I think we'll be all golden. We'll see you at the house. Okay, so we are now officially installing the components of this computer. The most important part, which would be the motherboard. Now, while this process is taking effect, And this bum is screwing in a bunch of screws because he's a screw himself. I do want to go ahead and say I will get that video uploaded tonight. And then after that, we'll see what my schedule is like with Jones' gaming channel over there. Of course, I'm Jones, and I'm jonesing for gaming. Anyways, with that, yeah, I'll try not to. Anyways, so this is what I mean by he has a better processor than I do, or not processor, excuse me, GPU than I do. My GPU is about this big square-wise. His is a fucking Goliath. I mean, this thing runs 2 fans. It successfully runs mods along with GTA 5, and it has a whole bunch of other shit that it can do. It records high-quality gaming and everything on it as well. And it's just... this thing is a dreamboat. Like, I wish I had it in my computer. That way I could do LSPDFR instead of the Grand Theft Auto 4 mods that I'm doing. But in due time we will see what this will be able to... what I will be able to acquire anyways. Yeah. Well, we got the hoe to work, and now we're at the standpoint of the Wi-Fi card at this point. But as you can see, it does run. We have this hoe plugged in, but it doesn't really get used, so I mean, he's handing it down to me. We're trying to get the Wi-Fi card to work, and then after that, we have a good go. Alrighty. And we have done it yet again. We found out where exactly the problem was with installing the drivers on the Wi-Fi card. I had to go and manually install it. So it took a fucking process, but hey, we got Wi-Fi finally on this thing. Now to wait for the gameplay. It's been an extremely long day, and now it's about to be a long night for me. So I'm going to catch you guys later. If you like this video today, please comment, rate, subscribe, tell me what you think. And if you want to see more of this awesome content as we are building a PC, as well as that, in the summertime I will be starting to do things a little bit differently here, since it's winding down for the winter over here in Nebraska. There's much less car scenes and everything like that to expect, but next year I will be at more car scenes, and that is a lot as hell. Anyways, I'll be at more car scenes, and I will be doing everything in my power to try and actually get more footage for YouTube and more ideas going as it is. And so with that being said, I'm going to catch you guys later. This is Random Guy for 814, and if I can say that correctly because I'm so damn tired right now, I will see you guys in the next video.
How in the fuck are you got to say? The way that we do it, it's not the way. No, don't you sweat it, you not in the way. Nothing you do compared.